Are you climbing the stairs, Evelyn? Are you climbing? Climb, climb, climb. You're almost here. I gotta back up. Back up. You made it. Wow. Can you clap? Oh, there's your birthday present. Can you clap? Oh, you're going back down? I don't think you can go down front first, though. Uh-oh. Is he coming to get you? Is he going to get you? Ready to run. You're going to get him. Evelyn. Evelyn, hi. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Evelyn.